Played Super Nintendo with my best friend, always mashing on the buttons to bleed. Like an eye to a ball, gonna beat to a stall, gonna beat the game down. Nintendo.
What's going on, you gorgeous dirtbags? Just Tro here today. I'm playing this Super Nintendo game, Mohawk and Headphone Jack. I have no idea what to expect. What we got here? Got this anthropomorphic blob of piss, these sunglasses and Mohawk. Looks pretty badass. Anyways, give it a shot. It says 2-player. What's it doing now? Oh, it went to the demo thing. Alright. Yeah, enough stuffing around. 1 player. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Jesus. Alright. Is the CD's good? Alright. Oh, look, I can Sonic the Hedgehog it for a bit. That's nice. What did I... What's this, a bonus level? I'm like 2 seconds in the game? Oh, hold on, yeah, I just jumped into the purple thing again. Cool. That was fun. Alright, so far this is annoying. Where am I? What am I? Why am I? I think is the most important question. What is my purpose of my existence? Ask that question in my real life. I don't need that shit in my games. Okay, I've got wheels now. Let's just... Is this the game, the way the game wants me to play? Just like absolute mate. Jesus, what's going on with these things? Okay, you can hurt them with the spiky ball rolling thing. Alright, I'm having a goddamn seizure looking at this thing. Okay, I'm rolling around and I'm dead. Okay, so let's... Okay, he goes right up against that. I'm like a squishy man. I'm a squishy man. Alright. Oh my god. Okay, that's what the left and right buttons do. Okay. This is gonna go Mohawk and Headphone Jack. Is that like his name? Mohawk and Headphone Jack. Like, whatchamacallit? Simple Jack. But yeah, Mohawk Headphone Jack. That's the simple version of Simple Jack in the 90s. That's the epitome of cool in the 90s. Freaking green Mohawk, sunnies, just listen to tunes while running randomly and dying. That's the 90s. It's called freedom. Don't have that no more. Alright. Okay. So I'm not getting anywhere very quick, but I'm being pretty... Alright, so yeah, now I'm getting along with it. It's kind of hard to react, so I'm just going to go into spike mode every couple of seconds. Where's my health? I'm uncertain of how much freaking damage I can take here. And also, is there an end to this level? Do I collect? Let's see, I should look this up. Aside from the nausea, it is pretty fun, but God, the following of the camera is heinous. That is unnecessary, right? There's got to be some unnecessary shit. I get it. I feel like it's the tempo of the game. It's telling me to go this way. I don't know what you want, game. Yes, you have got arrows pointing that way into a wall. You dogs. God, give me some freaking direction. Well, getting lots of CDs. Got plenty of tunes to listen to while I ride around in this freaking madness of an existence. Alright, I'm just going to get out of this hole now. I'm going to pay attention. I thought the arrow was like, ooh, it's a big secret this way. It's not. It's not anything, it's just background. It's just background garbage from a garbage game. Oh, freaking love the platforming. It's riveting. Alright. Okay. Alright, yep, cool. So gravity is just a marginal concept in this game, it appears. Oh god. What are you asking of me, game? Trying to get back on solid ground. Standing on secret ground. Alright, hey, there's a big CD. Music's changed. Not that. I am going to have a freaking stroke with this game. No, not the. No, not that shit again. No, please. Oh wait, no. This is where we're supposed to go. Then we go around, and then what? We jump back up this way, and then we're in a different spot, and then. Please tell me that is not back at the start. It's like the same wheelie thing from the start, isn't it? Once we go up this way, and then we got that. Hold on. Where am I? With this shit. This video is brought to you by
The Void. Don't stare back.
Just decided to just run into absolute nothingness. See if that'll help me. This game is a headache. Alright. Blue stuff seems new to me before, and I'm in a new area. What's happening? Hold on, is this a new sort of drop down? Am I mistaking it from the other drop down? There's CDs here. Please let this be the way. No, just another freaking ditch. Awesome game. Having super amount of fun collecting CDs, killing stupid freaking sticks, moving sticks. It's my only enemy. Whoa! Okay, I just pressed the wrong button. And now I've got one less thing. What was that supposed to accomplish? Just to self-destruct? God, I will press that 2 more times in a minute because I am over it. Oh. Okay, this is new, at least. Cool. Again, Sonic the Hedgehog. Rip off. Well, definitely not as cool as Sonic. Oh no. Is this back to where I think it is? I don't know if I'm progressing or not. I feel like I'm seeing different things. I don't know if it's a mirage. What is that? No, this is like the same thing. I swear this is the same thing. Alright, hold on. I feel like... Did we go the opposite way to the loop-de-loop? Please tell me the loop-de-loop is this way. No. It's not. Yeah, it is. Cool. So we go this way. The loop-de-loop. And we come out this way. That creature was new, at least. Oh, cool. I'm back at the start. That's freaking awesome. Alright. No more screwing around, everyone. Nah, I'm doing. I know what to do. This is how far I progressed. Not far, freaking at all. So if I just kept going across, will I eventually? I don't know what to make of this game. Tell you one thing, frustrated as hell. Interesting. I mean, I like some of the mechanics of it. The gravity thing is a bit fecked. Like, it's fecked. It's garbage. I think my eyes are slowly getting used to the movement of the camera. I don't know about you guys, watching it out there, you'd probably stop watching because it's making you violently ill. But if you are still watching it, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you bloody dirtbag.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tell your friends. Also like our video and smash that notification bell.
I'm trying to get to at least 50 so I can do some live streaming. Or with my boy Weege. Or just on my own. God, this game sucks. I could be playing Doom the Dark Ages right now. That game's awesome. This game sucks. This game fucking sucks. And also, am I progressing? At this point, I think I have to just convince myself I am. I would like one of these holes to not just be to not be a hole. To like at the end maybe have a tunnel or something leading somewhere. Nah. Yet again, another ditch. Wow. I'm curious on how many levels there are and how stupid they all are. And like, I'm pretty sure I've seen that specific lip before. No, it's the loop. Have I gone in a big circle? How? This sucks. Okay, the platforming up here. Anything up here, folks? Anything at all? Come on, you stupid ass game. Fucking, this is ass. This is ass. Yeah, okay, so from all that, it looks like that I've fallen back down from the start. So it is one big freaking loop. And it sucks. Trust me, I'm just as bored as you guys are at this point. Like, bored and sick. Thank you, Mohawk and Headphone Jack. You suck. You are a lame version of Sonic. You are a useless blob of piss that wishes it was Sonic. Maybe you should frickin' take your headphones off and concentrate on what the hell is going on around you. Because this is madness. You seem too complacent in this, Mr. Blob Man, Mr. Mohawk Jack Man. This is no reality for anyone to live in. What? No, did I finally... I did it. I don't feel accomplished at all. Who was that guy? Is that my grandpa? Is that like a receding mohawk? Code 890493. God damn it. I should probably write that down.
Does your life lack any meaning or purpose? Do you look in the mirror only to see a soulless husk staring back at you? Sounds like you already purchased Existential Crisis. No refunds.
Alright, welcome back to Bags. Yes, this appears to be level 2 of the illustrious game Mohawk and Headphone Jack. Where you are and am, where I'm dead. Yeah, where you appear to be some sort of yellow blob thing. Possibly alien, possibly clay fighter, origin, I don't know. It's... Yeah, the only things are these weird freaking slinky things that I don't know if they're attacking you or they're just in my way. I feel like the asshole here. And yeah, just these gravity defiant levels that just make me ill. Why do I want to keep playing it? It's unique at the very least. It's interesting. There's 2 buttons for jump. They appear to be 2 different jumps. Okay, so you got a flippy jump, and then we've got a Am I punching? It's a jump punch? I don't know what is going on there. Yeah, I think it's a jump punch. Jumping kick punch? I don't know. God, who knows? Who cares? Let's just get through this crap. Alright. Jesus, the car was going awfully fast. Boing, 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 boing. Alright, so it's kind of like a... I thought it was just going to be more than kind of like a Sonic Runner platformer. I ran past something, I have no idea what it is. But unlike Sonic... Is that a game over? Mohawk, game over. That's a pretty cool game over screen.
This video was brought to you today by dogs. Dogs, the universe did something right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.